Analogous learning is such a powerful way to understand what we're trying to do. And it sounds like a fancy concept, but all it means is trying to plumb the lessons from one paradigm to see how it might apply to another paradigm. Human-centered design uses this approach all the time, which is what can we learn from this thing over here and plop it down to this in this new system and see what kind of questions get generated because of the overlay. And when I originally started thinking about religious leaders as technologists, I thought it was analogous learning. But then the more I thought about it and the more that I talked to other people about it, the more I realized it's not a metaphor. It's not analogous. It actually is what we do, because I got deeper into what technology actually is, what it has meant historically, what the etymologies of the words are, and how people have used them in the written word for thousands of years. And I really came to this realization that, in fact, religious leadership in many ways is technology. It's the use of tools on purpose to derive outcomes that are known in advance and that are designed on purpose to achieve those outcomes. If it sounds maybe too mechanical, that's part of the good provocation, to disrupt our way of attributing so many of these component parts into like the mysteries of spirit and the Holy Spirit at work. And I think maybe part of the value of this provocation is actually to ask us to actually consider the functions of what we're doing as tools. And because when we see them as tools, we can actually manipulate them in different ways.